All right, folks, this is not going to be a full review. It's just going to be a quick old box unboxing of my new Casio G-Shock that I just got after a lengthy search on the interwebs. I have been looking for this watch for a while. It is the GM-5600SG, as in sexy gravy. And we're going to go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Ooh, that had a nice little pop to it. Oh, there's stuff in it. Put the box aside. So far, we got ourselves G-Shock International Warranty Card. For all of you international jet setters, your watch is covered. A little display cardboard there in the tin. And the little manual on how to use the Casio G-Shock. Ready? Speed readers? Up. All right. Hope we caught that. Take off the foam here. See the exorbitant price that it's going for? $220. Of course, you know me, bargain shopping. I got it for a discount. I paid $70 for this bad boy. And I have to say, I dig it. I like it. I like it a lot. Especially with this clear band. How freaking sick is that? Goodness, that's awesome. You can see my logo back there through the band almost. You can definitely see like details of like, look how clear that band is. Awesome. Probably read the price tag right through the band. Dun 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 dun. That's sick. Of course, the bands do tend to wear out over the course of the years and they kind of yellow up a little bit. That does happen, but this is a pretty neat little watch, especially for the price. It's still going for like $180 online at full retail. I'm going to turn on the afterglow feature so you can kind of get an idea of what that looks like. It should say shock resist in the background. You can get that. Ooh, how cool is that? Let's hold it down so it stays on. I think this one you can hold it down and it stays on. That's awesome. It's your basic Casio module, so it's not going to have a whole lot of the other features like some of the more higher tech ones like this one back here that I have. This one will have a lot other features that this particular Casio doesn't have, like world time and whatnot, but this one does have plenty of features. It does have your day, date, month. It has your full timer here and stopwatch and all that, and I'll go into more details later on as I do a full review of this, but I just wanted to kind of get you a quick unboxing video of it and a little look at it. It's a really pretty watch. This is a great looking find. I'm very pleased with it. Well, there you go, folks. The Casio GM-5600SG 9CR. It's the clear batted one. Hope you guys enjoy it. Please smash that like button so that way I can build my channel up, and please subscribe so that way you can get ahead of future videos that coming out. I'm going to be doing another Casio giveaway. It might be a Duro, but either way, or it could be this one. Ooh, look at that bad boy. Either way. Hope you enjoy the video, guys. Take care. I'll catch you soon. Bye.